Hello, ever felt confused trying to order drinks in a Singapore hawker centre or food court? Well, here's a crash course just for you. We're going to start with the basic drink, which is coffee or tea. So for our local term, we say kopi for coffee and teh for tea. Now let's look at some variables: milk, temperature, and sugar. The usual drink will come hot with condensed milk. Now, condensed milk is very thick and very sweet. So if you would like a different kind of milk, a very popular local replacement is evaporated milk. This is less thick than condensed milk and it is much less sweet. So for these drinks, usually sugar will be added. If you would like your drink with evaporated milk instead of condensed milk, you have to add the letter C after your order. So, kopi just means hot coffee with condensed milk. However, kopi C means hot coffee with evaporated milk and sugar. Similarly, teh C means hot tea with evaporated milk and sugar. If you would like your drink black, then you have to add O after your order. For example, kopi O, this means hot coffee with no milk but with sugar. Now let's look at temperature. The default drink will come hot. If you would like it iced, then you have to add peng after your order. For example, kopi peng will give you iced coffee with condensed milk. Kopi C peng will give you iced coffee with evaporated milk and sugar. Now we've come to sugar. If you would like your drink without sugar, then you have to add kosong after your order. For example, kopi O kosong, this means hot black coffee with no sugar. If you would like some sugar but less than the usual amount, then you have to say siu dai. For example, kopi siu dai means hot coffee which is less sweet, so usually less condensed milk. Kopi C siu dai means hot coffee with evaporated milk and with less than the usual amount of sugar. And similarly, if you would like more sugar, then instead of siu dai, you're going to say ka dai, kopi ka dai, kopi C ka dai. If you would like your drink to go, then after your whole order, you have to add these two words, dai zhou. This is in Mandarin and this means to go or take away. Dai zhou. So, kopi dai zhou, kopi C dai zhou, and so on and so forth. And here's a fun fact for you. Our drink orders are actually made up of several local languages or dialects. Very interestingly, kopi or teh are in Hokkien, kosong is a Malay word, siu dai, ka dai are in Hock Chew or Fuchao, and dai zhou is in Mandarin, so you may potentially be using 4 languages just to order one drink. Let's practice. If you would like tea with evaporated milk, which is hot, with the usual amount of sugar, then you're going to order teh C. If you would like the same drink but with less sugar, then your order is teh C siu dai. And if you would like the same drink but iced, it's going to be teh C peng siu dai. One more try. For coffee that is black, which is hot with sugar, it's simply kopi O. If you would like no sugar because you're feeling very healthy, then kopi O kosong is your order. Let's do this with pictures. Here is coffee, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and sugar. Here is the default drink, which is kopi, which is hot. The iced version is kopi peng. The less sweet version is kopi siu dai. Similarly, the iced version, kopi peng siu dai. The evaporated milk version with added sugar by default is kopi C, and the iced version, kopi C peng, and the less sweet version, kopi C siu dai. Iced version, kopi si peng siu dai. And for black coffee, it's simply kopi o. Without sugar, it becomes kopi o kosong. And here are a few more terms to add to the confusion. Kopi po means weak coffee or thin coffee, so it's actually less coffee, more water, but still with condensed milk. Kopi gao is thick coffee, so more coffee, less water, but still with condensed milk. Kopi swa just means 2 orders of regular coffee, which is kopi with condensed milk. So now that you have all this newfound knowledge, have fun ordering your drinks and enjoy.